Welcome again to Budget with Brian. Today we're going to talk about Makita chargers, but we'll come to that in a moment. Hit the button below and subscribe, and you'll get to see all of our later films as well. Now these two chargers, I take the viewpoint you can never have too many batteries or chargers, but it can get expensive. You know, so are lookalike batteries and are lookalike chargers any good? Well, this is the original Makita DC10SA, and as you'd expect, does a perfectly normal job. And this is a lookalike, and it makes no bones about it. It says replace for the DC10WD. They're both 10.8, 12 volt chargers, and this is a lookalike battery. So they fit, as you'd expect, quite easily. They come out quite easily, like so. I have experienced one tool that found this a bit stiff, but a bit of lubrication made the difference there. I've used both of them now, and to be fair, I think there's no reason to be concerned about the lookalikes. It's served me well so far, and but of course Makita is Makita, and Makita are the best, probably. Let's have a look at the differences between the two chargers. The obvious difference is that the Makita is larger, and probably the reason for that is the technical reason that it has a stated current rating of 5 amps, and the lookalike has a stated charge rate of 3.15. I guess that means, although I haven't timed it, that the Makita would charge quicker, but in practical terms, we all stick our batteries in there, go off, use our other battery till that one runs out and come back to our charger, and both of them will show charged at that particular time. So I'm not sure that the charge rate makes a difference, but it probably is the reason why the lookalike is a bit smaller. The cost of the Makita, it can be up to £57, say circa £50 if you're looking around, and if you look at the lookalike, it's £27, maybe going up to £30. So about half the cost, and that's true too for the batteries. So if cost is important to you, then the choice is obvious, and I can see no major downsides. Thank you again for watching with Brian, and look at the links below to see where you might be able to buy these products. And don't forget, subscribe.